May you have your respective seats, please.
I, Famdom Raj, and my co-host Takilambam Subankar take the pleasure this morning to host this auspicious day at UNACO School, Kongman. On behalf of the UNACO School fraternity, we take all pride to welcome in our midst our Honorable Chief Guest, Srimati A. Sharda Devi, President, Bharatiya Janata Party, Manipur. Respected Guest of Honor, Srimati L. Bobby Devi, Upadhyaya, Imphal West. Respected President of today's program, our Harbinga, Sri N. Nirapanta Singh, Chairman of UNACO Schools. Respected Sri Arup Kumar Mukhopadhyay, Director, UNACO Schools, Sri Mahendra Upadhyay, Principal in Charge, UNACO School, Maitram. Invitees, teachers, and my dear students to the installation ceremony of UNACO Schools Prefectorial Council for the academic year 22-23.
It is indeed a defining moment for the entire school, and to make the start a momentous one, I would like everyone to stand up and greet the school choir on stage to present the school song. like to request everyone to take your respective seats. Thank you, dear students, for your soulful performance.
Our next presentation is a traditional dance performance by the students of classes 5 and 6 called the Mount Aga dance, a popular form of dance of Manipur, danced during the annual harvesting and seed growing season. So here come the students on the stage to present it that involves intricate footwork along with graceful body movements. Thank you all performers for your skin-relating performance.
I beg your pardon. Moving forward, I would like to request our Honorable Chief Guest, Srimati A. Sharda Devi, President, Bharatiya Janata Party, Manipur, respected Guest of Honor, Srimati L. Bobby Devi, Upadhyaksha, Imphal West, respected President of today's program, our Harbinger, Sri N. Irabanta Singh, Chairman, Yako Schools, respected Sri Arup Kumar Mukhopadhyay, Director, Hinako Schools, Sri Mahendra Upadhyay, Principal in Charge, Hinako School, Maitram, and I will request our teachers to escort them to their respective seats on the stage. Thank you so much, ma'ams and sirs.
I would like to request the students of our school to felicitate our Honorable Chief Guest, Srimati A. Sharda Devi, President, Bharatiya Janata Party, Manipur, respected Guest of Honor, Srimati L. Bobby Devi, Upadhyaksha, Imphal West, Sri N. Nirabanta Singh, Chairman of Unako School, Sri Arup Kumar Mukhopadhyay, Director, Unako School, Sri Mahendra Upadhyay, Principal in Charge, Unako School, Maitram, with a bouquet and Lengyan fee as a gesture of love and respect. Now, let's have a big hand of applause for our dignitaries. Thank you so much.
Lighted lamp is a symbol of auspiciousness and our culture before starting any program. So, I would take my pleasure to request our Honorable Chief Guest, respected Guest of Honor, Chairman, Director, and Principal in Charge to come forward and grace the occasion by lighting the auspicious lamp. Thank you, everyone.
Now I would like to welcome on stage our respected Vice Principal, Sri Partho Samanto, to kindly welcome the August gathering on this very special occasion of the investiture ceremony of UNACO School, Maitram.
A very good morning to one and all present here. I extend my heartiest welcome to Most Honorable Chief Guest Srimati Sharda Devi, President Bharatiya Janata Party, Manipur Pradesh. Guest of Honor, Srimati L. Bobby Devi, Upadhyaksha, Imphal West. Shri Arup Kumar Mukhopadhyay, Director, UNACO School. Shri Mahendra Upadhyay, Principal in Charge, UNACO School, Maitram. Shri N. Iravanta Singh, Chairman, UNACO School. Dignitary guests, staff, parents, and my dear students, for your august presence to this investiture ceremony. Today marks the beginning of one of the most auspicious occasions for UNACO School, Maitram. The prefect's investiture is a symbolic event in every student's life to discover the leadership in him or her. The investiture ceremony is a solemn occasion where all the young students are prepared to don the mantle of leadership and discharge the responsibilities entrusted upon them by the school. The ceremony recognizes the prefects for their contributions and dedication in serving the school and the community. It is expected to have a positive, encouraging, trustworthy, empathetic, and motivating attitude from the newly invested bodies. Keeping these values in mind, I would like to wish the Student Council of 2022-23 to foster purity, vanity, and discipline so that you may all march together in zenith of glory and wisdom. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir.
The investiture ceremony is a platform to showcase the leadership skills and abilities of the students and is the most prestigious ceremony in the schedule of the school events. It marks the new beginning of the new academic session as the council prepares to don the mantle of leadership and discharge the responsibilities entrusted upon them by the school. A true leader works for a cause in the spirit of selfless service and not for applause. Let's aim for a spirit of unity and collaboration in the school and community for greater dynamism and effectiveness. The long-awaited solemn ceremony will now begin, and to carry the program forward, I would like to hand over the microphone to my co-hosts Lamzingbi and Jewel.
Thank you. I am Lamzingbi Laishram of class 9C, will be taking you forward for the next program. Students of today are the visionaries and torchbearers of tomorrow. When we develop personality, skills, and mind, we develop responsible human beings with leadership qualities. I would like to take the pleasure to invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Srimati A. Sharda Devi, President Bharatiya Janata Party, Manipur, respected Guest of Honor, Srimati L. Bobby Devi, Upadhyaksha Imphal West, and Shri N. Iravanta Singh, Chairman of UNACO Schools, to kindly step forward to assemblage the students with a sash, badge, and certificate, a symbol of the new responsibility to the new school prefectorial council of 2022-23. I take the honor to call on stage our newly appointed head boy of 2022-23, Pebam Tompok Stephen of class 10C. And to read the profile of the students, I hand over to my co-host, Joel Laimapupam.
Thank you. I am Joel Laimapupam, taking over to walk you all through the next part of our program. Tompok, has excellent leadership quality along with good disposition and organizational skills. He has the ability to talk confidently and is appropriate with his peers. He secured second position in school rank in National Science Olympiad 2019. He secured third school rank in International Maths Olympiad. We wish him all the best with his role as the head boy 2022 to 23 of UNACO School Maitram.
Next, we shall have on stage our newly appointed head girl of 2022-23, Mayang Lambam Prissy of class 10B.
Prissy is a polite, mature, trustworthy, and a reliable student. She has the ability to speak confidently and is willing to serve the school. Her achievements at a glance: first position in Inter-House Song Competition 2019, second position in Inter-House Dance Competition 2019, third position in Inter-House Quiz Competition 2019. We wish her all the best with her role as the head girl 2022 to 23 of UNACO School Maitram.
Our next appointee on the stage is Brendan Wycombe of class 10C as the boys sports captain of 2022-23.
Brandon is relentlessly competitive and compelled to win. He is a hardworking and energetic student. He has a strong and positive relationship with coaches and teammates. He has the ability to speak confidently. His achievements at a glance: selected in the Futsal World Cup representing India, represented Telangana for the National Futsal Championship in 2019, played football CBS cluster, Hyderabad. We wish him all the best with his role as a sports captain of UNACO School Maitram.
Next on list is Pari Pravin of class 10C, the girls sports captain of 2022-23.
Puri has an excellent leadership quality along with good disposition and organizational skills. She has the ability to motivate her peers. Her achievements at a glance: part of under-14 basketball team at Bangalore, trained in athletics and gymnastics. We wish her all the best with her role as a sports vice captain 2022 to 23 of UNACO School Maitram.
Now we begin with the house captains and house vice captains of the four houses, and flagging off with the first house, Emerald House. To call on stage we have Leisangthim, Leishangthim Hanshini Devi of class 9B as the house captain of Emerald House.
Hanchini is a sincere, enthusiastic, and well-managed student. She is always willing to take on extra responsibilities. She is a reliable student. Her achievements at a glance: participated in the district-level painting competition on protection of Sangay and its home, held on 25th October 2015, organized by CDO Manipur and EOCA Switzerland. Participated in International English Olympiad and Race to Space. We wish her all the best with her role as the Emerald House Captain 2022-23 of UNACO School Matram.
The next to come on stage is the Emerald House Vice Captain of 2022-23, Khagemba Kaisam of Class 9C.
Kagemba is a smart, sincere, enthusiastic, and well-managed student. He is a confident speaker. He is goal-oriented and a reliable student. We wish him all the best with his role as the Vice Captain 2022-23 of Emerald House UNACO School Matram.
I would like to call on stage the house. I would like to call on stage the House Captain of Ruby House 2022-23, Rajkumar Pitaraj of Class 9B.
Pitaraj is a sincere and well-managed student. He is willing to take on extra responsibilities. He has the ability to talk confidently and delegate duties to his peers. He is a reliable student. We wish him all the best with his role as the Captain 2022-23 of Ruby House UNACO School Matram.
I would like to invite on stage the Vice Captain of Ruby House 2022-23, Salam Rajeshwari of Class 9A.
Rajeshwari is a smart and enthusiastic student. She has an excellent leadership quality and willing to take on extra responsibilities. She is trustworthy and reliable. Her achievements at a glance: participated in state-level painting competition 2018 organized by MMTA. She stood first position in the annual school inter-house group dance competition 2019-20. We wish her all the best with her role as the Vice Captain 2022-23 of Ruby House UNACO School Matram.
I would like to invite on stage the captain of Sapphire House 2022-23, Mahendra Sharma of class 9B.
Mahindra is a helpful student who is willing to take on extra responsibilities. He is a matured and reliable student. His achievements at a glance: participated and secured third position in the Irabot Day Observation Patriotic Song Competition, participated in the AMFA Grassroots program at Cripshaw Grassroots organized by AMFA. We wish him all the best with his role as the captain 2022-23 of Emerald of Sapphire House Unako School Matram.
I would like to invite on stage the vice captain of Sapphire House 2022-23, Lakshmi Konjengbam of class 9C.
Lakshmi is a smart and sincere student. She has the ability to talk confidently and appropriate with her peers. She is trustworthy and reliable. We wish her all the best with her role as the vice captain 2022-23 of Sapphire House Unako School Matram.
I would like to invite on stage the captain of Topaz House 2022-23, Larison Yumnam of class 9C.
Larison is a smart, cooperative, and well-mannered student. He has the ability to talk confidently and appropriate with his peers. We wish him all the best with his role as the captain 2022-23 of Topaz House Unako School Matram.
I would like to invite on stage the vice captain of Topaz House 2022-23, Elish Nongmaithem of class 9B.
Alice is a matured and a reliable student. She is a confident speaker and takes up the assigned responsibilities as and when given to her. We wish her all the best with her role as the vice captain 2022-23 of Topaz House Unako School Matram.
Now, the prefect of the junior wing will be honored with a SAS badge and certificate. The first house to come on stage is Emerald House, and the prefects are Kenda Maringmay of class 5B, house captain, and Nongmaitem Curasi of class 4C, house vice captain. The next house to come on stage is Ruby House, Alex Arubam Singh of class 5A, house captain, and Hobson Sogaism of class 4C, house vice captain. Thank you, students. Now I hand over to my co-host to call the next set of prefects.
Thank you. Now, I would like to call the prefects of the Sapphire House, and the prefects are Stephen Jaute of Class 5B, House Captain. And Naomi Konthosum of Class 4C, House Vice Captain. The next house to come on stage is Topaz House and the prefects are Sograpang Vixen Singh of Class 5A, House Captain, and Messina Chingtham of Class 5A, House Vice Captain. Thank you, distinguished guests, for honoring the students. A big hand of applause for the achievers. Now, I hand over to my co-host Lam Jingbei for the next proceedings.
To honor the house prefects with the next set of badges and certificates. To begin with is the Emerald House, and for this, I would like to call on stage Thongam Gautam of class 8A.
Gautam is a smart, sincere, enthusiastic, and well-mannered student. He has an excellent leadership quality. He has the ability to talk confidently and appropriate with his peers. We wish him all the best with his role as a prefect 2022 to 23 of Emerald House, UNACO School, Maitram.
Now, I would like to call Rajshri Olivia Samanto of class 8C on the stage.
Olivia is a smart, sincere, and well-mannered student, possessing excellent leadership quality. She has the ability to talk confidently. She is a reliable student and ready to take up responsibilities. She had secured second position in the annual swimming competition 2017 at Kolkata, placed first position in Dehradun District Squash Championship and inter-house singing competition at Welham Boys School 2019. We wish her all the best with her role as a prefect 2022 to 23 of Emerald House, UNACO School, Maitram.
Next, I take the pleasure to call on stage Oinam Irabanta of class 7C.
Irabanta is a smart, sincere, and well-mannered student. He is polite to his mates and possesses good organizational skills. We wish him all the best with his role as a prefect 2022 to 23 of Emerald House, UNACO School, Maitram.
Now, I would like to call Tamanna Maibam of class 7C.
Tamanna, with excellent leadership quality, has the ability to talk confidently and appropriate with her peers. She is polite, trustworthy, and a reliable student. Her achievements at a glance: she had participated in the Manipur Sangai Festival and Manipuri traditional Ras dance. We wish her all the best with her role as a prefect of Emerald House, UNACO School, Maitram.
Next, I would like to call on stage the prefect of Ruby House 2022-23, Girish Kangjarakpam of class 7B.
Girish is a well-mannered student with a good leadership quality. He has the ability to talk confidently and appropriate with his peers. He is polite, matured, and a reliable student. We wish him all the best with his role as a prefect 2022 to 23 of Ruby House, UNACO School, Maitram.
Now, I would like to call the next prefect of Ruby House 2022-23, Langlen Ayekpam of class 8A on the stage.
Langlen is a smart and enthusiastic student with an excellent leadership quality. She is a trustworthy and reliable student. She is well organized and has the ability to talk confidently. We wish her all the best with her role as a prefect 2022 to 23 of Ruby House, UNACO School, Maitram.
I would like to call the next prefect of Ruby House 2022-23, Loitong Bam Heridion of class 7B on the stage.
Harry Dion is a smart and sincere student. He has an excellent leadership quality and willing to take on extra responsibilities. He has the ability to talk confidently and appropriate with his peers. We wish him all the best with his role as a prefect 2022-23 of Ruby House Unako School Matron.
Next, I would like to call the last prefect of Ruby House 2022-23, Zarina Wycombe of class 7A to the stage.
Jerina is an enthusiastic and well-managed student. She has the ability to talk confidently and appropriate with her peers. We wish her all the best with her role as prefect 2022-23 of Ruby House Unako School Matron.
To hand over the next set of badges and certificates to the prefects of Sapphire House, I would like to call on stage the prefect of Sapphire House 2022-23, Hangamba Kumalambam of class 8C.
Hangamba is a matured and reliable student. He has an excellent leadership quality and willing to take on extra responsibilities. We wish him all the best with his role as a prefect 2022-23 of Sapphire House Unako School Matron.
I would like to call the next prefect of Sapphire House 2022-23, Divya Shoraisam of class 8C on the stage.
Divya is well organized with a good disposition. She is always willing to take on extra responsibilities. We wish her all the best with her role as a prefect 2022-23 of Sapphire House Unako School Matron.
I would like to call the next prefect of Sapphire House 2022-23, Raj Tilak Sharma of class 7C on the stage.
Raj Tilak has an excellent leadership quality with a good disposition. He is polite, matured, trustworthy and a reliable student. We wish him all the best with his role as a prefect 2022-23 of Sapphire House Unako School Matron.
Next, I would like to call the last prefect of Sapphire House 2022-23, Agatha Wycombe of class 7A to the stage.
Agatha is a well-managed student. She is a confident speaker and has a good disposition. She is polite and a reliable student. We wish her all the best with her role as a prefect 2022-23 of Sapphire House Unako School Matron.
Next, I would like to call on stage the prefect of Topaz House 2022-23. To lead is Kumuksam Nongdrin Khomba of class 8A.
Nongdrin Khomba is a smart and well-managed student. He communicates his desires and encourages the peers in their talks. We wish him all the best with his role as a prefect 2022-23 of Topaz House Unako School Matron.
The next prefect of Topaz House 2022-23 on stage is Caesar Guru Mayum Victoria Sharma of class 8A.
Victoria is a sincere, well-mannered, and a goal-oriented student with excellent leadership qualities. She is a good communicator. We wish her all the best with her role as a prefect 2022 to 23 of Topaz House, UNACO School, Maitram.
I would like to call the next prefect of Topaz House 2022-23, Vicky Thangzam of class 7A to the stage.
Vicky is enthusiastic and a smart student. He is a confident speaker and is always willing to serve others. We wish him all the best with his role as a prefect 2022 to 23 of the Pass House, UNACO School, Maitram.
Next, I would like to call the last prefect of Topaz House 2022-23, Sizik Huidrom of class 7A to the stage.
Sizik is a hardworking and sincere student. She is a good communicator and is always willing to take on extra responsibilities. We wish her all the best with her role as a prefect 2022 to 23 of Topaz House, UNACO School, Maitram.
Thank you, sir, for honoring the students.
Thank you so much, Lamjing.
Thank you, sirs and ma'ams, for honoring the students.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Lamzing B and Joel. Now, I take the privilege to invite our respected principal of UNACO School, Maitram, Sri Mahendra Upadhyay, to lead the new school prefectural council to take the oath of affirmation. I will also request the prefectural council members to be in the oath-taking position.
We hereby solemnly pledge that we shall discharge our duties and responsibilities to the best of our abilities. We shall have an exemplary disposition along with honesty and integrity towards the institution. We shall respect the rules and regulations of the school and abide by the school motto, excellence in education. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, and the members of the council.
To mark the significance of the day with wisdom and knowledge, I would like to invite our director of UNACO School, Shri Arup Kumar Mukhopadhyay, to light the flame of knowledge, a symbol of purity and wisdom, and thereby lead the members of the Prefectorial Council to enlighten their way towards wisdom, direction, and success.
Thank you so much, sir, and the members of the Prefectural Council. Sir, may you take your seat, please. Now, I would like our new head boy, Pebam Tombok Stephen, of Class 10C of 2022 to 23 to address the August gathering.
A leader is one who knows the ways, goes the ways, and shows the ways. Warm greeting to all. I feel so forced to express my emotions and gratitude for the opportunity I have received to be the head boy of this school. First of all, I would like to thank the entire school management who have shown immense faith in me by selecting me as the head boy of this prestigious institution. Today, I, Pebam Tombok Stephen of Class 10C, take the oath that I shall do all I can in make this year a memorable one. I may not be perfect in every field and not do things right, but I promise that I will do everything in my power to do things right and get things right. I will stand firm with my teams of perfects, as blessed grace we see our own responsibility and talents, and using out the proper functioning of the school by performing our duties. My dear council members, from now onwards, the responsibility of our school belongs to us. So, we shall stand as a unit against all the obstacles by performing our duties. A team is like a tool set. A single tool can't do all the jobs, but together it can yet. Something incredible happens when teamwork happens the way it's supposed to. Things change when everyone in the team is equally invested in the overall purpose and goal. You find yourself walking faster, finding more mistakes, and innovating better. So let's join our hand and work together. Finally, I would like to express my gratitude to our principal sir, vice principal sir, and my dearest teacher who loves me and trusts me, and for choosing me as the head boy of our school. I shall never let you down. Let's take our school to the height of success. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much, Tompok, for inspiring speech. I invite our respected principal, UNACO School Matron, Sri Mahendra Upadhyay, to kindly address for the gathering. Sir, you nearly need no introduction. We are all proud of you and your distinguished hard work in the field of education.
Honorable Chief Guest of today's function, Srimati A. Sarada Devi, President Bharatiya Janata Party, Manipur Pradesh. President of this today's function, Sri N. Iravanta Singh, Chairman, UNACO Schools. Guest of honor, Srimati L. Bobi Devi, Upa Adhyaksha, Imphal West. Sri Arup Kumar Mukhopadhyay, Director, UNACO School. And members of our UNACO family, unit heads, dear parents, invitees, print media as well as electronic media, dear teachers and dear students, good morning to you all. It is said, a leader is a person who can motivate a group of people to act towards achieving a common goal. Leadership occurs when one person induces to work forward it together for some predetermined objectives. Investiture means investing your responsibilities in a person. As a principal of UNACO School, I have invested my responsibility, my confidence, my assurance, my good luck, my prayer to all the young leaders who would bring all success to UNACO School Maitram. I have a piece of advice for the members of Prefect Council. Your power and authority will flow from your responsible behavior and the examples that you set. Your fellow students must see in you an ideal schoolmate. You cannot go and show them a piece of paper sitting your authority and expect them to do what you do not practice yourself. Conviction, integrity, and compassion are the keys to your success. If you ask me what the greatest challenges the school appointment are, I will enumerate few. Decision making, dealing with close friends, taking up issues of concern with the school authorities, and a temptation to become a popular are some of the challenges. I am sure you will surmount all these and live up to everyone's expectations. I congratulate each one of you and wish you fulfilling experience as a council member. I would like to thank our honorable chief guest, Srimati Sarada Devi, President Bharatiya Janata Party, Manipur Pradesh, and our guest of honor, Sri L. Bobby Devi, Upadhyaksha, Imphal West, for being present amidst us, encouraging the budding leaders of the Prefect Council. And I think it's a real achievement for them to be inducted in presence of you all. My gratitude to our respected chairman, sir, Sri N. Iravanta Singh, and our director, Sri Arup Kumar Mukhopadhyay, for making it all possible and guiding us always in the process. I would also thank our parents, our stakeholders, and the print and electronic media. You have been a great support in this event in school today. With all these words, I rest my speech. Thank you all. Wish you all the best. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words.
With reverence, I take the privilege to request our respected director, UNACO School, Sri Arup Kumar Mukhopadhyay, to address the solemn gathering.
Honorable Chief Guest of the occasion, Srimati S. Sarada Devi, President Bharatiya Janata Party. She has another identity to us. She is one of our very respected parents. We have with us our guest of honor, Srimati L. Bobby Devi. Madam is the Upadhyaksha in Imphal West. She has consented her presence and graced the occasion in a very short notice. Thank you, ma'am. Mr. Iravanta Singh, our chairman and the president of the program, Madam Premavati ji, our CEO, Mr. L. Khagin, Principal, Mr. Mahendra Upadhyay, Principal, Mr. Surachandra, Mr. Uday sir from Sanaloiva, the senior officers from UNACO group, UNACO family, vice principals, teachers, respected parents, the media friends whom I am glad to see them for the last 3 programs. Thank you for your kind presence. Our very beloved students, good afternoon, good morning. I congratulate all the students, those who have been honored today. Very young children, they have been honored for the primary and the junior school prefect, and even the high school class 10 student, 9 student, they have been honored. This was a selection process, not election. They have been selected by their teachers based on their academic, co-curricular activities, behavior, all the performances put together. It's a great honor. The life of a leader begins. When Madam was sitting in my office today, I was asking Ma'am Sarda Devi, when did you start your leadership career? And how long you are in the leadership role? So she is in leadership role for the past 28 years. So it's a big round of applause for her. It's a great honor. She has been for the last 28 years, close to 3 decades in this public service, public life. So dear student, if you have seen for the last few days, we are inviting the leaders from our public life because we expect our student to be a leader in life. Any field you be there, any field, be it you setting up an industry, working somewhere, or in your own life, you can be a leader. A leader who can empower others, who can show the direction to others. Not necessarily somebody will tell you that you are the leader. In the mass, you can be a leader. So your journey of leadership begins here. What do you like to expect from you? Today you are in the school, nobody knows you. Everybody says that what is the percentage of marks you got in maths? What is your rank? These are not written on your back. What is written on your back or on your face is your behavior. How we speak, how you dress up. That's why when everybody was coming, I was asking, do you know who is the chief guest? What's her name? What's her position? So dear student, what makes us proud, you as a student, is your behavior. When you are in a public life, public platform, what make you a different or distinguish from others? Not your marks in examination, but the way you dress up, the way you behave, your values, which make you a different from other student, which make you different from other citizen. And that's how people ask you, which school did you study? Which college did you go? School and college, that's how make a very, very special important. I don't know whether you know, there's a very famous boarding school in England, which is called Eton. The first headmaster of Eton told that it's not the knowledge of physics, chemistry, biology which remains with you. It's the shadow of knowledge which take you, guide you throughout. You look at your own shadow, you know who you are. And that's how we feel proud of you. When we see that somebody ask you that, oh my God, this student is so well behaved, so well mannered. Which school did you study? 2 persons we feel proud then. One, your parents. Because your parents feel that I have groomed my child very well. My child might not have got 99% in maths, but my child is being appreciated by everybody. And the next, we the teachers take pride of you. We say, I taught her. She is my student. When somebody gets 99%, we say, I taught her maths. At the same way, when somebody say, she stood first in the Olympics, she got a gold medal, I say, I am the teacher. At the same time, somebody say, she is such a well-behaved child, such a well-groomed person, we say, I was the teacher. So in your life, there are 2 important persons. One is your parent, second was your teacher, which whom you can make proud in your life. And we bask in your glory, we bask in your behavior, we bask in your credentials. So student, the responsibility which has been given to you is very important. You start a small step. Make sure you don't remain absent in school. All the prefects, I like to see your 100% attendance. You promise me? Yes. I'd like to see you that you make sure that every one of you, the way you behave, you always give in a behavior A. Promise? Done. Then third, I like to see you shine in sports, co-curricular activities. That makes you a great person. And the fourth, I want you to see, be the toppers of CBSE examination. So those are the four priorities. If three things come first, fourth will automatically come. Because a disciplined student can do well in life in every field. So now first is coming your attendance, which make you disciplined. Second coming your behavior, your co-curricular activities. Third it came your academic performance. So dear student, the life is a challenge. It never be straight. Lot of things will come in your life. You as a student see your peers and you like to follow them. It's very important to find out which is right and wrong in life. You need to distinguish which one I should follow, which is in my passion, which is a right and which is a wrong. Distinguishing the right and wrong will take you a long way. If you find the wrong one is right in your life, it may have difficulty. You may face difficulty. I'm sure Unako Maitram is our second school. Unako Khongman stands tall in the society by producing the state toppers. We have produced the state toppers here. So this is your first batch who will be writing examination in 23. So you have a challenge, you have a big responsibility to make your parents proud and proud the school. Make the school proud. So those who are in class 10th, you make sure that why can't I be the topper? I can be the topper of the country. So your challenge, what I am giving it to you today, is the challenge that I can be the topper of the country. Anybody like to take the challenge? Will you raise your hand? I like to see anybody take the challenge for class 10. Topper of the country. I have seen one. Only one? Many. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. I'll identify the head boy who has raised the hand. By this, I thank all of you for your gracious presence here, making absolute discipline in the hall, which is the landmark of our school. And the parents, the proud parents, those who have been here, I think we have got the certificate framed. So please ensure that in your drawing room wall, the certificate should be hanged today. And take a photograph and post it on a social media. That makes us proud. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words.
As an appreciation and a token of love and respect, I would hereby like to request our respected chairman, Unako School, Sri N. Irabanda Singh, to present a memento to our esteemed guest of honor, Srimati L. Bobi Devi, Upadhyaya, Imphal West. Thank you so much, ma'am and sir.
On behalf of the UNACO School Fraternity, I welcome our distinguished guest of honor, Srimati L. Bhavi Devi, Upadhyaya Imphal West, to address the resplendent gathering.
Good afternoon, everyone. Ahanbada, Ekhoigi, respected chief guest, Srimati A. Shardar Devi, Bharatiya Janata Party ki President Oibiribi Aigi Ichebu Kaikumna Butchari, the guest of honor, Maruina, Ekhoi President, Sri N. Irabanta Singh, Chairman UNACO School, Aduga Khoigi, Sri Arupke Mukhopadhyay, Director UNACO School, Sri Mahendra Upadhyay, Principal UNACO School, Maitram. Ahanba magtada punama khurumjari, loinana ikaikumna bochari, aduga maroina se akhoi mingwina panjadrabasu, Vice Principal, aduga School sigi responsible person oiriba khoigi tamo udoi aina khangjaba ming kharadi palle mamangda phamliba punok pusu aina kai khumna bochari aduga khoigi parents sing teachers sing all the students sing joina kai khumna bochari ahan bada aina haijani buse aina wa ngang dringai da students sing di yam warabra I answer pame yeah so excited Yam nungai ngasigi asigum laba school gi function si yawbase aigi life the first time ne aigi language se khara problem laye aduna mayam da tapna haige mayam ngak pi gini go haibadi aikhoi gi life da go faidagi maroiba education da lakpa kanda su excellent award ka je excellent ka je phangning da ba satra yawde loi yawi ko Loina excitement oye plus excellency khangat liba khara du khakta nate all the students excellent loina oiba yai ko yaning bra yaning dabra great aduni dana haibadi kari no hai kanda ai khoi si we are the strong person masika ugunu kari gino hada ishwar na piba kanda ishwar na ai khoi si semba kanda go yamna strong oina brain ju jam sharp oina loina pharuro haina ishorna blessing ga loina na piye akhoi mioi ba khuding si adu kari gi moina ngama akhoi kari gi ngamoy just try madu try to moi ngama de akhoi ngam ga davne kari gi akhoi di hauji si hotna bada yadre s factor da ahan oire kari gi larik pa bada phau yadre heba para pa ba se just akhoi na pa ba para si adum kawe ba Tin S aduga loina na students sing peak lingai dagi haugalakpa matamda khwai dagi ngausumna budu tin S da sum lae hai adubu tin S oirasu larik pabada di yam changmune haidi thawai hakchang yauna paba aikhoi gi baking da kana gumba khara ga leiradi akhoi yam panning ba yaubune bago adana nokhoi gi perato aikhoi su kalakte na khoi na tauriba khuding di everything okay tawbuda bu just parents sing da aikhoi si yamna Kari haini respect to laigadabane plus teachers sing da respect laibdo aikhoi gi capacity building da always respect haibase aikhoi gi interest leina gadabane students sing yaningi ko ya ado aikhoi para pabada phadre chahi yame noidi para pabada phari aikhoi gi punsi si aikhoi di nokhoi ngasi gi school UNACO si kyam nungsi aikhoi na uba just like aikhoi di kari haina khalle haida nokhoi gi Yam na haine kahine ishorgi adugumba prayer tauraga phangba school ne haina khallo maram di karige covid ki pandemic matamda aikhoi gi government da achauba contribution tauba plus mioiba gi aikhoi humanity da mioiba gi khwai da gi hena luba value si karino khwai de maman tangba si kaino de aikhoi gi kari oye aikhoi gi life su oidro life si secure oyena ba kadore Khwaidagi nungsiba potu kaino aikhoi gi thawai sinatro adu oiradi aikhoi gi thawai hingna bo hotna bada UNACO school na lawkhiba madugi responsibility do ai cái đông nung da cao de kari gi Government of Manipur na Government of Manipur na yamna waba pandemic oibagi covid matam da door to door aikhoi kana su chat pa yadaba adu kaidore containment zone laure a positive oire each and every loi namak si kiraga mapan thok taba matam da kaidawe aikhoi gi hingnaba aikhoi positive oiraba matam da changbam leitabdo UNACO school na pura open da mi gi thawai du hingningai gi tongan na separate room da thamaga masi amaga spread tawdana ba haidana aduki matik lawgiba daita do aikhoi ngasi bokta thamoida keep tawraga thami maramdi mi gi value se khangbiye school sina haina just nokhoi gi school ne se aduna yam nungai harauba poi maramdi kari gi nokhoi na afaba school amada tamba haibase all india gi oina atop mapan da chatlaga tambadu aikhoi da matai chadaba adagi parents sing na chathokasin aigi students si aigi angang si children sing si yengsan ke look after tauke da kolkata da mumbai da delhi da tambudu day to day gi chatlaga yengsin bangamde visit tauba ngamde sidadi ke dore visit taubu sungami oja sing unaraga aigi angang kram hai taure habasu hangbagi adumba possibility du lei adagi amuk su khudong jaba sing du phangi plus ke dore mapan ga competition taubuda chap chaba ahenba nongma gi improve oiba henba nongma gi upgradation taurakba adugumlaba khwaidagi haraba manipur dadi UNACO is the best school haina hainenge asi aikhoina khwaidagi phaba school amada tambaje student sing yam phaigo aikhoina pik lingai dadi bora khaudu yalaga lari khaudo sumna yala bora su amuka yalaga school jatle leimai da bora du tharaga phammaga lairik tamak bane khangbra aduna ne ngasi di student sing se yamna nungsi yamna talent lay aikhoi de gisu henna haire maram di kari gi no haida matam ga chunaba se na khoi gi chairman sina porakba education system da afaba oja sing aduga afaba school ju look after taunaba official sing teacher sing sina na khoi bu guide tawraga ngasi di yamna na khoi da chap chaba figure ama kari haiba tungi da makta adugumlaba figure ama oibang ama honaba na khoi bu foundation tawraga semak iba pose masigi UNACO school je phai haina haining bado pen na haige khan bane du loan jina maron nama khoi baga fajana haiba su hai tabado mayam na excuse to view ko hai this hoira su student oira su sine haibadu understand to view ko adubu ngasi yam nungai re kya ki director और प्रिंसिपल सारे सबके सामने मैं थोड़ा बात कर रही हूँ ना इसलिए क्या ज़्यादा बात आएगा तो ठीक नहीं होगा लेकिन हमारा वो जो लैंग्वेज का भी प्रॉब्लम है ना इसलिए थोड़ा माफ़ कीजिए स्टूडेंट लोग तो बहुत प्यार है लेकिन सभी टीचर लोग भी अच्छा है और आप लोग भी देखभाल करने के लिए सारे सब मिलके वो जो बच्चा बड़ा होने के लिए और अच्छा से अच्छा कदम उठाने के लिए वो आगे बढ़ना चाहिए लेकिन आप लोग को रिक्वेस्ट है आगे बढ़ना और आगे कदम उठाना आगे चलना ये सब तो हमारा वो जो प्रेयर करके सारे सबके सामने मैं करना चाहती हूँ और फिर हम लोग की साइड से मैं एकदम हेल्प करूँगी इसीलिए आप लोग को भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ स्टूडेंट सिंह आई हैबा हैतबा मयाम बु नुंगसिबगी करिगुम्बा वाही खरा थंबसी नखोइना आइबु एप्रिशिएट तौबी हैबगी अचेत बथाजब थंबगा लोइनना ऑल द बेस्ट स्टूडेंट सिंह अमुक हन खुरुमजरी
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your overwhelming speech.
As an appreciation and a token of love and respect, I would once again like to request our respectable Chairman UNACO Schools, Sri and Irabanta Singh, to present a memento to our esteemed chief guest, Srimati A. Sharda Devi, President, Bharatiya Janata Party, Manipur. Thank you so much, ma'am and sir.
On behalf of the UNACO School Fraternity, I welcome our distinguished chief guest, Srimati A. Sharda Devi, President, Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur, to address the solemn gathering.
Ngasi UNACO School Maitram gi oiba investiture ceremony gi asigumba program asigi dais da pambiri ba lengsin biriba ngasi guest of honor L Bobby Devi Upadhyaksha Imphal West District poina ahan mamaktada ikai kumna bochari loina na Sri Aruk K Mukhwadai Director UNACO School Busu aina ikai kumna bochari aduga Principal in charge UNACO School Maitram Sri Mahendra Upadhyay aina ikai kumna bochabaga loina na ngasigi sigumba school lasi masi yauna lakna na bohona bada chauba daita lobiriba koigi chairman mingoina panjarabada N Irawanta Singha busu aina ikai kumna bochari aduga mangda lengsin biriba school asigi daita leraba school asigi authorities sing aduga ngasigi asigumba investiture ceremony gi thauramasida lengbira iba parents sing loina na students sing aina ikai kumna voucher koi mamangda upadhyaksha na yamna fajaba wafam thambikre aduna ngasi ahanbada aina students sing da haining basi kaino haiba matamda ngasi ge sigumba ceremony asida aikoida responsibility ama sinaba haure haibase masi aikoina aikoigi wakhal lol da pukning da hakchang da masigi ichel ama chen na bo khona ba mayamna darkar lai haidana ai student sing da thamningi maram di kai gino haiba matamda aikoi loina makna aikoi yumda family gi member ama oiba matamda ai family gi member si khwaidagi best soiba member ama oiba pame haibase ngasai gi haugalakpa school gi oiba sei ama sakibaduda aikoi mayamna student mayamna dumak utkre madudi kaino haiba kanda aikoi mafam asida laisi we have learned to with best haidana haiba aikoi khwaidagi ahenba afaba miyoi ama student ama oinana bagi damakta aikoi mafam asida tambala ini haibase masine aikoina yam munna aikoina pukning da thamgada base aduga nsaigi aikoi karigi damakta aikoina mafam asida khwaidagi afaba student ama oigaduino hairagadi nekoi punamak asi aikoi mayamna khangnaba pillar of the nation haidana tungi future gi adugumba pillar ama oirakadoriba adugumba inkhalaiba haugalaiba naha singni aduna ni ngasai na khoina haiba matamda safe and sound haidana palliba aikoi leiriba aikoi gi iramdam iraiba kasi aikoi loina makna safe and sound oibase pame adudi safe and sound oiba pamba taragadi aikoi punamak kaidoba tai aikoi kwaidagi afaba kwaidagi best student aido aikoi oina na bo hona bada aikoi gi yamna pukning sangba makhak darkar lai haibase ai ngasi thamjaningi aduga ngasai gi UNACO school hairagadi aikoi adukki matik aikoi miyamna tungan ba Manipur gi outside ta leiriba tungan ba state singna phawba yamna recognize tawraba masak khangaba Manipur gi UNACO school hairagadi aduki matik satra si masing yamna leiba satra masing yamna leiba da natana ngasigi program haurakpa matamda compare tawriba students singi girl students singna tawre compare to aduki matik angakpa po eba ingonda aduki matik angakpa kaigino haiba matamda ngasai haigudune akoigi schooling matamda di kaidawi bora puraga school chatlena hai bora puraga school chatpa matamda kaidau kanda aikoi tamba matamda aikoida aikoina tamningi ba level du yauna aikoi lairik tambagi khudong chaba se aikoida di phangakte adubu ngasi UNACO kumba school sina students in the piriba education gi piriba aikoi gi level si status si kayam wange haiba matamda ngasi makta compare tawda angang sing na ngangiba English ngang ba matamda makoi gi language gi makoi gi pronunciation ta ba matamda aikoi aduke matik proud feel tawe haiba se masi ai ngasi satra singi mamangda ai haijaninge aduga students sing thoglai ba students sing ngasi gi lairiba ceremony sigi related angang sing aikoina base p dana matak tai koina kokatpa matamda makoina utliba makoi gi discipline aduki matik phajaba discipline utliba angang sing si aduna students sing da maru oina aikoina darkar lairiba si karino haiba matamda responsibility haiba si karino responsibility se koi phajana masak khangba makak change aduna hariba responsibility se koina kaidogada haiba kanda action da on thokadori bani action da otho kanda aigi leadership amagi adugi act tawba matamda ai leadership ama karmain tawraga ai leader oigani aibagi adugi act se matam sidagi koi haugadoini action action duga loina na aina tawriba aigi responsibility dugi matungina aina tawriba act ado madu maram chana tawribra natraga tawdabra haibase aikoina amuksu monitoring tawgadamne aduna monitoring si tawrakanda hairiba monitoring duga loina na aikoi responsibility se sum lawdana la kanda ngasagi review tawgadoine bamu action monitoring and review haibase masi yam darkar lei haibase ngasigi students sing da ai thamninge aduna hairiba aikoi gi responsibility se koina mapung phana aikoina phajana lawba ngamakanda ni aikoi leader haidana yamna matik chaba leader ama oidana tholaktana public ki platform da natraga manipur state ki oina natraga each and everywhere da aikoina kana gumba amaga kari gumba ama aikoina tawba matamda aikoi mai pakna thauna leina akiba amata yaugdana aikoina thokpa ngamna bagi tangkak ado madu lakadori bani haibasi masoina students sing da haininge aduga ngasigi asigumba aikoigi program sida aina yamna nungai jari badi school tungan ba se samna aikoigi school sing lairi ai yam hena school pandraga su adu yamna systematically school lama laibada school lama gi tawbam thokpa systematically magi rules and regulations sing kaidana fajana sathaba school lama hairagadi ai hairiba UNACO se aigi oinadi ai khangani haibase masimasu ai ngasigi meeting asida ai thamjani aduga specially aina aikogi chairman da yamna specially aina thaganing basi kaino haiba matamda aikogi 24 hours si wakhan khallaga leiramgadaba male kaino haibada hairiba school gi leiriba director principal teachers hairiba singsi yengba kanda amamam yengba kanda aikogi leiriba sing aikoi khuding makna ngasai aina haijariba responsibility haibase yamna daita leina thabak tawbase masi yam sengna hairagadi aikogi chairman na hairiba mayam sing asi responsibility leina tawnana bo khona bada chairman gi su achouba daita ama leibaduna maram oira kanda ai ngasai gi mayam asina kanna unite oina khotna bina bani haibase masina maram oira kanda ni aina chairman da yamna tongana special tagat chaninge base aduga oja sing su hairiba student sing da education aikoi gi angang sing da takpiba matamda oja sing na aikoi ngasi sum yengba matamda UNACO dagi tholakpa student sing se koina aikoi listening ama yam darkar leibase koina student oiringai da listening ama change hairiba listening si fajana aikona tawdragadi aikoi afaba satra ama oiba haibase ngamoidoin aduna aphaba satra si puthorakpa matamda ngasai UNACO school gi oja sing asina ngasai gi satra sing da taklakpa matamda satra sing sina taning bagi makhoi da khangning bagi adugumba aikoi ai isamang na udraga su aikoi angang sing da leiramgani haibagi aigi thajabado adumasu ai lei haibase masine ba aina thamjaningi se aduga aikoi satra khwaidagi hena aikoi gi leiriba private ki school sing leiriba sing sida satra masing yamna leibe school se UNACO sisu oiramgani haidana UNACO na number 1 oiramgani haidana aigi wakhalol da lei masi aikoi gi satra sing si tamning bagi aikoi gi wakhalol la ibasi karigino haiba matamda leiriba authority sing asina yamna daita leina lobiba tawbiba sina maram oirakanda koi nongma nongmagi sini chawdawna aikoi gi mayam si UNACO da miyeng sangba horakpani haibasi masu ai thamjaninge aduga aina yamna koi thoktana aina tension jara kanda aina student sing da mapung oina thamjaninge badi kaino haiba matamda aikoi se karigumba thabak ama tawba matamda aikoi da ahal laman sing na takpirakpa matam punamakta aigi hakchang manung da leiriba aigi aura haiba tare masi ai focus tawrakanda aina madu focus tawrakanda karigumba side by side karigumbam ta tadaba karigumbam ta yengdaba aina chatkadaba aigi destination du ya hairiba aigi aura se thamakanda aigi destination du yowna chatpa ngamnanabagi adugumba aingonda wakhalolda aigi sagatpa amakhak changi haibase masi ai angang singda thamningi masi practically ai isamakna masi ai practical loina ai yenga kanda ina students singi mafamda thambani karino haiba matamda aina karigumba gi destination ama yoge haidana khanba taragadi kanagumba matana ai khoida aphaba hairakpa taglakpa ai tagani fattaba hairaga su ai tagani adubu aina tawgadoriba aina chatgadoriba lambi dudi ai straight way da ai adum chatpa makhak changeba aduga maru oiribadi parents aigi yumda leiriba ima ipa dagi hauna ai discipline se ai adum haugadabani ima ipa hek next to ai teacher oza haibase aigi khwaidagi ima ipa gi hek mathangda khwaidagi naknaba aibu mi oina sembigadoriba adugumba aigi mitna uba ishor amani haidana ai students singna khanba yamna mathau tagani haibase masisu ai thamjage aduga hauji aikoina program ama ai Bharatiya Janata Party ki president nama oina aikoina program ani khak paikhatle haujikse karino haiba matamda aikoi leiriba Manipur da leiriba haugalaiba naha amatta fattaba amatta oihaningde loinamak aphaba oihaningi aduna loinamak aphaba oiba matamda kari changi parampara changi haibadi aigi haurakpada aigi imung manungi aigi ima ipagi leiriba chana lon chana kanglon ase koi khangba makak changi aduna maram oira kanda koina interaction with student haidana koina program amakak paikhatli aikoi chairman ga su wari sanai aduna aikoi karigumba matamda aikoi sungsoi soidana UNACO school da sulakani interaction with students sida aikoi tongan ba aikoi yamna yauri point mayam amakak yauri koina students singa interaction tawbada student amana phamiba student mayam singsida magi destination singsi loina mak khena rakadoine khena ra iba destination singdo adu yawna chatpa matamda aikoina kari tawba darkar lei haibase school da tambiba sigi mathakta aikoina tunganba education khara aikoi mathau tabra haibadi moral education asi mathau tabra haidana aikoina adugumba parampara gi oiba adugumba aikoi related oiba khara aikoi paikhat pa howi aduga loinana safe environment save youth and save future generation haidana koina program hairiba program si paikhat pani interaction with student aduga save environment save youth and save future generation haidana hairiba program sing se koi loina mak school da ekoi organize tawi tungan ba jaga sing da tawi ekoi soidana su UNACO school da su koi yaurakhi gani aduna aina aroibada ngasige sigumba investiture ceremony asida ekoi gi ngasi lengbiraiba ahal laman sing student singi loinana oza sing tongan ba daita lebe sing punamak ay ikai kumna bo utsabaga loinana student sing da aroibo oina aina thamjaning badi ekoi na ngasi lauriba ai gi ngasi school lasina ingonda piriba responsibility ase ai yamna responsible person nama oina ai gi responsibility ase ai pangthokani aduga loinana ai ngasi haiba numit sidagi as a leader ai leader ama oina ai yamna matik chaba ai gi adugumba tawbam thokpa ai duty tawba ama oina ai tawge haiba wakhal lolga loinana tawbaga loinana ai koi tungda lakadaba lambida sungsoi soidana mai pakpa oirasanu haidana aina student singda agi best wishes asi ai pibaga loinana punamakpu amukka hanna ikai kunna bocha.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your motivational speech.
I'm profoundly elated to take the opportunity to invite our respectable chairman, UNACO Schools, Sri N. Irabanta Singh, to address the grand gathering.
Good afternoon. Today's investor ceremony of school prefects function asida chief guest oina lingsin biriba kai kumnajariba ichema Srimati A. Sarda Devi, President BJP Manipur, aduga guest of honor election biriba Honorable Srimati L. Bobby Devi, Upadhyaksha, Imphal West, aduga Sri Arukki Mukhapadha, Director UNACO School and School Principal Singh, Invited Singh, and the staff, aduga media dagi lengbi ragiba, sini now amadi isalche punopu, kai kumno musari, aduga ngasi program asi, yam manungi oiba wahida maroina, investiture of the school prefects. I would among the Kangriva, who school prefecting a sea. A Kogimatam, the school captain, Hybiduni. A sea, Makoi the Daita Sinava, responsible Sinava, Adgo program. Nasi the Gihona Makoi class to gi, Nakuna Daita Lena, Madugi Natokto, role model was Satramo, you, Pazana Tabakto, and Makoi the Nasi Sinabora, Nasi, Angang Singasi, I'm noting it again, leader on a great town of Angasi the Gakoina, Makoi the Tambiba Horabadi. At the moment, the site Tambiramada, guest owner Tambiramada, Akoi Satas in Muruina, dedicated Oiba, Amadi Honabakanba, Yamna Sangeva Honta, Tambirami. Masidi, Akoi Kutiman and Chamaka, Akoi Pusida Mai Pak Haragadi, Honabakanba, Amadi, I took the Toya Wahavase, Masimadi can bear away. Sigatana Suyate, Ate, Mayamo Sangi, Adu Orgasu, Yam the Maru Masakta, Aina Tori with Tabaktuda, Tawa Yauba, Larik Babu or Chanabu or Tabamata Woro, Amadi Honabakanba. Adu Kogi Sata Singo in the Dinakoidi, Ate Tabak Mayamat Jungi, Tabangang Taudri, Adu no father, mother Makada Labor in Maru, Nakogi, Maru Banatoje, Nakogi, academically state of Amaru Bamane. Adugi, Loinana, Nakoi Nasano, Hana, Nadiakana Lainava, Nakogi, Sanava, exercise, physical activity, Amsudar Carle, Adutono, quite the Maruabasi, Nasagi, Natok the Puning Changba, Lagasutawaya was Amani, Adugu Loinana, Nasidagi, Nakoi the Diet Sinava, Horabani, Nakoi Klaski, Nakoi Section Gi, Nakoi Tohum Topa, Natok Sidagi Toba, Aduga, Apova Satramo, best student of Honavamse, Nakoni role model or Gadabadi. Shima, Aduga, Angsai, Akoi Sigation, Tambira Bada Tabakamato action, Aduga monitoring, Amadi review. Action Haragadi, Satri, Prefect Council of Action, the Sat Manlay section to the discipline Lehenba, say, Ozalita Matam, the Angang Langandaba, Matamtana Angang, Amaga, Satramasimata, Amaga, Highway the Wahina and Dava, Kanabasa, Navata, Sinakoi Natoni, Aduga, Nakoi Natok Matamdana, Yam Puning Changna, Lyric ꯆꯥꯡ ꯅꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯏꯟꯕꯁꯤ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯣꯅꯤꯇꯔꯤꯡ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯇꯣ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯠ ꯇꯥꯔꯝ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯃꯥꯔꯛ ꯐꯪꯉꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯏꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯆꯨꯝꯅ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯔꯗ ꯃꯣꯕꯥꯏꯜꯗ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯕ ꯈꯛꯇꯅ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯅꯁꯥꯅ ꯅꯈꯨꯠꯅ ꯏꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯪꯀꯗꯤ ꯅꯁꯥꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯇꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣꯗ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯄꯔꯤꯈꯥꯁꯤ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯆꯦꯗ ꯏꯔꯒ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯔꯗ ꯃꯣꯕꯥꯏꯜꯗ ꯄꯔꯤꯈꯥ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯏ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯕ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯄꯔꯤꯈꯥ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 10 ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯏꯕ 12ꯁꯦ ꯆꯦꯗ ꯏꯔꯒ ꯊꯥꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯃꯣꯕꯥꯏꯜꯗ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯔꯗ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯔꯒ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯃꯥꯟꯕ ꯍꯩꯕ ꯃꯥꯟꯕꯅ ꯏꯔꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯤꯗꯣ ꯏꯊꯣꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯂꯥꯟꯒꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯐꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯁꯥꯅ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯤꯕꯗꯨ ꯏꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯉꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯠꯂꯦ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯪꯀꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯃꯦꯊꯃꯦꯇꯤꯛꯁꯀꯨꯝꯕꯗꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯪꯀꯁꯤ ꯍꯣꯠꯇꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯀꯕꯛ ꯄꯥꯕꯅ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟꯅꯤ ꯃꯣꯅꯤꯇꯔꯤꯡꯅꯤ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝ ꯔꯤꯖꯜꯇꯣ ꯑꯟꯁꯥꯔ ꯁꯤꯠ ꯅꯣꯏꯗ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤꯕꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯪꯉꯤꯕ ꯃꯥꯔꯛꯇꯨꯒ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯁꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯣꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯣꯅꯤꯇꯔꯤꯡꯅꯤ ꯔꯤꯚꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯇꯣ ꯀꯥꯏꯗ ꯁꯣꯏꯔꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯖꯕ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛꯇ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯣꯜꯂꯦ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛꯇ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯁꯣꯜꯂꯦ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯁꯣꯊꯔꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯔꯤꯚꯤꯌꯨ ꯀꯧꯏ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯒꯦꯁꯇ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯝꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯒꯦꯁꯁꯤꯗ ꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯇꯥꯡꯕ ꯂꯤꯗꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯔꯣꯜ ꯃꯣꯗꯦꯜꯅꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟ ꯑꯆꯧꯔꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯅꯤ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯚꯥꯔꯇꯤꯌꯥ ꯖꯅꯇꯥ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯅꯤ ꯃꯥ ꯃꯁꯥꯃꯛꯅ ꯇꯧ ꯂꯩꯔꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯤ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯝꯍꯧ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯝꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯃꯣꯅꯤꯇꯔꯤꯡ ꯔꯤꯚꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯂꯤꯗꯔ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯣꯟꯅ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯂꯤꯗꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯏꯁꯥꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯂꯤꯗꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯗꯤ ꯏꯁꯥꯃꯛ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯒꯦꯁꯠꯅ ꯂꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ BJPꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯜ ꯒꯥꯔꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯔꯤꯕ BJPꯅꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ 19 ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯒꯤ BJPꯗ ꯁꯝꯅꯔꯛꯑꯕ BJPꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗꯗꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ BJPꯁꯤ ꯏꯊꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯈꯪꯅ ꯄꯣꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯅ BJPꯒ ꯁꯝꯅꯔꯛꯄ BJPꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯤꯑꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤꯕꯨ ꯊꯥꯖꯔꯕ BJPꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯁꯤꯄꯜꯕꯨ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯗꯅ ꯂꯦꯡꯄꯣꯠ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯃꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯝꯅꯔꯒ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯛ ꯇꯧ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯥꯡꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯗꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯅꯤ ꯏꯆꯦ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯋꯥꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯂꯣꯡ ꯇꯥꯝ ꯁꯐꯔꯤꯡ ꯆꯍꯤ 19 23 19 ꯈꯥꯡꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯥꯡꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤꯗ ꯀꯩꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯃꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯒꯦꯁꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯗꯦꯗꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯗꯤꯇꯔꯃꯤꯅꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯔꯗ ꯋꯥꯔꯛꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯦꯖ ꯑꯦ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯃꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯂꯨꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯇꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯏꯁꯥꯃꯛ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯧ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯇꯥꯛꯑꯝꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯃꯣꯅꯤꯇꯔꯤꯡ ꯔꯤꯚꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯄꯟꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕꯗ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯒꯦꯁꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯗꯦꯁꯇꯤꯅꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯑꯧꯔꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯧꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯨꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯏꯁꯥꯗ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯥत्माꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯨꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯗꯦꯁꯇꯤꯅꯦꯁꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯆꯠꯀꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯈꯪꯅꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯩꯗ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯚꯤꯖꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯒꯣꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 10ꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯗ ꯃꯥꯔꯛ ꯑꯁꯨꯛ ꯐꯪꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯁꯄꯣꯁ 80 ꯐꯪꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ 90 ꯐꯪꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯃꯦꯊꯃꯦꯇꯤꯛꯁꯇ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ 95 ꯐꯪꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯅꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯒꯣꯜꯅꯤ ꯅꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯖꯟꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯚꯤꯖꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯒꯣꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯆꯠꯂꯨꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 10ꯗ ꯑꯁꯨꯛ ꯐꯪꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯃꯝ ꯑꯩ 85 90 ꯐꯪꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯧ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯒꯦꯁꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯝꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯅꯪ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 12ꯇ ꯑꯩ 12ꯇꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯦꯠꯂꯤꯁ 90 95 ꯐꯪꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯇꯥꯕꯅꯤ 85 ꯐꯪꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ 90 95 85 ꯐꯪꯉꯒꯗꯤ ꯅꯪ ꯗꯤꯜꯂꯤꯗ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯆꯟꯕ ꯐꯪꯒꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯦ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 12ꯇ ꯐꯥꯁ ꯇꯥꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 12ꯇ ꯃꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯡꯈꯩꯗꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯃꯤꯡꯗꯨ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤꯗ ꯃꯤꯔꯥꯟꯗꯥ ꯍꯥꯎꯁꯇ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯆꯟꯕ ꯐꯪꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯃꯤꯔꯥꯟꯗꯥ ꯍꯥꯎꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯗꯤ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯕ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯆꯟꯕ ꯐꯪꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯃꯥ 96% ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯏꯁꯇꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯇꯥꯡꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯤꯔꯥꯟꯗꯥ ꯍꯥꯎꯁꯇ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯆꯟꯕ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯃꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯑꯅꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯐꯪꯗꯕꯅ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯥ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯆꯟꯕ ꯐꯪꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯀꯜꯂꯒꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯒꯦꯁ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯏꯁꯥꯗ vision yauraba mission yauraba destination yauraga hard work tawrodi dedication tawragadi nakhoju gadom phangmoidun 90 phangbe 93 95 phangbe adu apha phaba india gi college man mingjanu phangani ne adu da natana mamang da khoi gi chhatra ma 12 pass tawra matung da canada da mingjan phangrabane toronto da scholarship ki mateng free yoni mingjan grabane adu gum na khoi gi mang thaba mayam ma na khoi gi mang thar sakhiba chhatra mayam khoi ne putokrab school ji mingjang ram adu ga mamang chai da roina khangbada khoi gi medical tamgiba chhatra mayam jaw khoi gi class 12 pass tawda ai ngarang han jo khoi rims ki doctor ma thengai ma haire ai chadu class 12 mang da no school pass tawbane ai na hange adu di kamai tawri hujiti kanu doctor kamai tawri ai chadu hadakta medical college mingjan gre haire aduna akhoi sidagi class 12 pass tawboji medical college mingjam chai gudingi adum yawe medical engineering de adudagi ahen bada miranda house da mingjan phangai ba dei canada da chakri myam je yamna talented ba satra myam phuthobne ba but nakhoi ju yae nakhoi ju class 10 karabani class 10 yobu matam da di ishagi fajana dedicated and focus on academically thoyau da yaroi ate langphang to ya matam natre ba nang ngahangai na angang oi la ga du 10 yaura ga nang study phung chang da yaroi nang major oi ba important oi focus ti nang uji academic study ne class 10 yaura ga di 10 11 12 ahum jimadi academically yam kanna thoyau da yaroi aduni nga chai khusi jige ta ami je isada orama yaunu destination ma yaung sakadam ne je ai class 10 da mark asu phang da yate he baje masini bi destination je adugi potuni ngasi de lai waje adumaina lai hiu mi duri ngasi mayam dagi makop thong helaga manipur gi yan han ba khoi gi nupi lak tagi president go rei je khoi gi achauba khoi gi bharatiya janata party gum party ma dagi aduni ngasi oi rei je aduna sigumba posini khoi sigresan thambira mesi akhoi pura maki kana gada ba satra jingda tungda ningsing hobada tam hobada tamjaningai o potuni adu aroi bada thambira mesi khoi gi Huzik chathabiriba khogi safe youth safe environment amad safe future hai basi yam phajab poni masigumba policy program national level na torokpa education ga mari lena na maruoina chhatra singi amadi environment ga mari lena program mayam da UNACO school su yaw phangna ba yaw boi khudong chabu su khoi ju lojage adu khoi ju adum participate tawjage hai basi thamjage adu loisolakpada ngasi program ase aroi ba na hairagadi chhatra singda sahi nauringai de hona khoi da daita sinaba tamba kadona ba leader oina afaba lusing bo rakna ba ngasi mang lengchen biri ba khogi president amadi geso owner che nupi oraga su nupi laktagi manipur gi athoi ba athoibi lusing bi ngakta ne ba sumai tawdana na khoi nu su oraga he manipur gi afaba samaj ma semada henna mateng pangna ba adugi pandam da ngasi dagi na khoi da leader hai second leadership kaino daita je sinaba horabani na khoi da scenery pose masi na khoina thawa yauna lauraga masi ki na khoi gi punsi gi maru ba achok ba daita ni khala ngasi dagi sena sem horo thaja ba madu gi na ngasi dagi na khoi puning chang no hona ba horo mangol oi bo isanu punama pu thagasari thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your enlightening speech.
May I take the pleasure to invite on stage our newly appointed head girl 2022-23, Mayang Lambam Prisi of 10B, to pronounce the valedictory speech.
Good afternoon, everyone. Gratitude is with which I begin my message as the head girl of our UNACO school matron for the academic session 2022-23. It is indeed a great honor and privilege to be the head girl of the reputed and prestigious institution, UNACO School Matron. A great sense of responsibility is bestowed upon me. Thus, I promise to work hard with all my devotion, determination, zeal and enthusiasm. I will try my best and work persistently for the excellence of our school. Good afternoon, Honorable Chief Guest, Srimati A. Shardha Devi, President, Bharatiya Janata Party, Manipur Pradesh, respected guests of honor, Srimati L. Bobby Devi, Upadhyaksh, respected Sri N. Irabanta Singh, Chairman, UNACO School, Sri Arup K. Mukhopadhyay, Director, UNACO School, Sri Mahendra Upadhyaya, Principal in charge, UNACO School, matron, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. It is indeed my proud privilege to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of UNACO School, matron community, and the Prefectorial Council 2022-23 on this significant day. Our sincere thanks to our esteemed chief guest, Srimati Shardha Devi, President Bharatiya Janata Party, Manipur, and guests of honor, Srimati L. Bobby Devi, Upadhyaya Imphal West, for your benign presence here, ma'am. I would also like to extend our thanks to our respected chairman, UNACO School, Sri N. Irabanta Singh, Sri Arup K. Mukhopadhyay, Director, UNACO School, for your continuous support and gracious presence on this memorable day. Next, we would like to extend our gratitude to Sri Mahendra Upadhyaya, Principal in charge, UNACO School Matron, whose continuous inspiration and the zeal and dedication that you had instilled in us. Behind every successful program lie the manifold efforts of committed faculty. Thus, we would like to take a moment to thank Sri Partho Samanto, Vice Principal, UNACO School Matron, Srimati Sarjubala Devi, Headmistress, UNACO School Matron, Srimati Rosalind Farwell Bucks, Academic Coordinator, UNACO School Matron, teachers, and all the supporting staff of our school for their immense contribution to the development of this eventful day. Finally, it is important that we acknowledge our parents for their unconditional love and support to us. Where we stand today is the combinations of hard work and efforts, as well as confidence that ingrained in us, that enable us to achieve and celebrate our victories. I would like to end my speech with a quote. When we express gratitude, we must not forget that the highest appreciation is not simply uttered word, but to live by them. We once again thank you all in making this function a grand success. Thank you all and have a nice day.
Thank you so much, Prissy, for your inspiring words.
Respected distinguished guests, invitees, teachers, and my fellow students, we have almost come to the concluding part of our Investor Ceremony 2022-23. Thus, I, on behalf of UNACO School Matron, would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for investing your valuable time and benign presence with us here. But before we conclude, I request our esteemed dignitaries, Honorable Srimati Shardha Devi, President, Bharatiya Janata Party, Manipur, respected Srimati L. Bobby Devi, Upadhyaya, Imphal West, respected Sri N. Irabanta Singh, Chairman, UNACO Schools, Sri Arup Kumar Mukhopadhyay, Director, UNACO Schools, Sri Mahendra Upadhyay, Principal in charge, UNACO School Matron, Sri Partho Samanto, Vice Principal, UNACO School Matron, Srimati Rosalind Farrell Bucks, Academic Coordinator, UNACO School Matron, and the members of the Prefectorial Council to be kindly take your position for a photo session.
May I ask everybody to stand up?